Hey, what's up, Sarah?
Nothing much. We're filming Attack of the Killer Refrigerators. Pretty awesome. Gonna ask me another question?
What's it about?
Okay, it's about these kids and they're at a party. There's this legend about a refrigerator that eats people and they get eaten by their. Here's looking a little weak, Mon.
Why are you looking straight at the camera?
I turned Jamaican. Crikey, Lori!
Hi, Mark. Oh, I'm going to go over here now.
Oh, okay.
I see my friends.
Hey, Lori! What?
Where'd it go?
Okay, the refrigerator killed Lori.
I mean, her freaking hands in the freezer.
Well, at least it's not her head.
I could lift up way more. Put that in the fire. Sure, it's on backwards. I know it's on backwards.
Alright, well, I guess maybe I could.
What's my name in my mic?
Yeah.
What are we gonna do? There's blood all over the refrigerator.
It tastes a little bit like Jim.
That's why there's a
Jim?
Well, it's like so.
He sat behind me in algebra class.
Oh no!
Jim! What happened? What happened?
I don't know. Maybe Mark and him got into a duel on the way to the bathroom.
What happened?
I don't know.
No! What are we gonna do? How can we get away from it?
Well, I suggest we run.
Well, it's just I like you a lot, and we're getting ready to go our separate ways with colleges, and I don't think I can live without you. What? Can I grab your hand?
Fine.
1, 2, 3, 4. I declare a thumb war. Why is the refrigerator tied up? Wait. Go a little slower. What? This is weird. Oh! Woo! That startled me a little bit. My grandfather's uncle's cousin, twice removed, gave me this refrigerator, and he owns a junkyard.
Well, that doesn't mean it's the same junkyard. So, I wonder where Mike ran off to. He was in quite a hurry.
Who's that?
Whoa, crikey! What? Why do you have the same hat as me?
Who are you?
You old man! This is private property! How? One night, out of cold dark. Did we cut it with the water? Crikey! 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 You ever hear the tale of how? It keeps getting in my eyes. You have any goggles?
Mark's right. This is silly. Wait, I shut. Mark was right.
Oh. I thought she was calling me.
Is this really awkward? This is silly.
Took my rope away.
Oh my god.
It's stuck back here, I think.
Oh, I opened it. Up it closed.
Oh, open it. Is Lori in there?
There's some eggs.
Okay.
Whoa there! Whoa no! Oh! Whoa. Man, did you get the door open? Yeah. And it closed.
Half the senior class is here. They're all by the bonfire eating weenies. Come on. Come on, Mark.
Oh. Hey, mate. I have a comment. Yeah.